Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can create a sitemap in Figma. So basically a sitemap is just a roadmap of the site that we are going to create. So we could basically share this to our teammates, to our friends that's basically going to create the site with us. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to Figma. And from here, we are going to use a feature inside Figma called FigJam. So it's going to be this specific button. Simply click on it and then it will prompt you to this diagram on which we can now start making our sitemap. So the easiest thing to do is to basically import your pages. So let's say that this is going to be our landing page. And from here, I'm going to insert another box, which is going to be this one. I'm going to copy and paste the box right here. And for the landing page, I'm going to develop 3 additional branches. For this one, this is going to be the login page. I have my registration and I have my prices. Or we could basically make this into something like login register. And for the next one is going to be the features. So from there, you could connect this pages right here using the arrows on the actual diagram that we have made. So let's go ahead and make an additional one, which is going to be right here, connected to basically this one. So now that we're good to go, you could simply use the hand motion or the hand tool, and we could keep creating more pages right here depending on the sitemap that we are creating. For example, for features, we could go more in depth, or you could add additional boxes right here just to show users some in-depth explanation of the said features. And basically from here, we could go on and so forth. And so guys, that's how you make a roadmap or a sitemap in Figma. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.